A lot of affiliate marketers are completely sleeping on what Claude AI can do right now. Because most people still think affiliate marketing is just about picking a product, creating content, and dropping an affiliate link. But what they don't realize is that within every part of these processes, there are hidden gaps, and Claude AI can actually help you spot them before you waste time promoting the right thing. For example, maybe you choose products that don't really connect with strong emotional pain points, then you create content that doesn't trigger curiosity, urgency, or desire in the viewer. So even if people click the link, the sales page still feels boring, weak, or disconnected from what the audience actually cares about. But with Claude AI, you can use it to reverse engineer the emotional triggers behind products that are already selling. And once you understand those patterns, it becomes way easier to pick products and get better sales conversion. Let me show you what I mean. I'm heading into Digistore24, and most beginners choose products based on commission size, gravity score, or how good the sales page looks, which is good, right? But none of these things actually tell you why people emotionally buy the product. And this is where Claude AI completely changes the process. Now, I'm going to pick a random product, let's say under digital products and family and children. So under popularity, you can see that the Balanced Working Mom system is actually doing pretty well, meaning a lot of affiliates are actually making sales with this. Now, most affiliates will look at this product and only see the commission percentage or the sales page. But Claude would help you reverse engineer why this specific Digistore24 product actually sells, and not the features, but the core fear and desire underneath. Now, here's the full step-by-step system to do that. You want to head over into the product page or the sales page of the product, and you want to copy that. And then you're going to head into Claude and you're going to prompt. So I'm saying below is a link to the sales copy for a Digistore24 affiliate product, and I've attached the sales page here. And I'm saying I want you to ignore surface level features and benefits. Instead, identify the 3 deepest emotional triggers this copy is trying to activate. For each trigger, tell me 1, the exact fear or desire underneath it, 2, the identity the buyer is trying to escape, and 3, the identity they are trying to step into. Be brutally specific, no generic marketing language. This particular digital product is more than a planner. It's a full 8-part system that helps moms manage their times, routines, meals, home responsibilities, and self-care in one simple framework. And I'm going to click enter. And this is super important because most affiliates fail because their content attracts one emotion, but the sales page could be selling a completely different emotion. Now you can see Claude AI has given the 3 deepest emotional triggers. And now Claude AI has given the first trigger, which is the fear of being the bottleneck in your own family. It has given the second trigger, that's the guilt of being physically present but mentally absent, and the shame of not keeping up with who you used to be. This helps you to understand the emotion that the page is selling, because when you eventually share your links on whatever platform you are promoting your affiliate link, it's going to take them to the sales page, and you need to understand the exact emotion the sales page is selling so that it can as well match with your content style. And this will help you avoid gaps of mismatch in the emotions that you are trying to pass in your content. Now, once you've gotten the triggers for this, the next thing is to run another prompt. Now, I'm saying based on 3 emotional triggers you just identified, score this product's emotional pool on a scale of 1 to 10 for each of these 4 criteria. Number 1, the urgency. How much does the buyer feel they need this now? 2, the relatability. How clearly does the pain match a real specific life situation? 3, the believability. How credible is the transformation promised? 4, the identity shift. How powerful is the gap between who they are now and who they'll become? After scoring, give me an overall verdict. Strong, moderate, or weak emotional product, and 1 sentence explaining why. This is the fastest way to actually vet a sales page, to be sure that number 1, the product is something that the buyer will feel that they need now, so that it can help you convert your sales better. Also, it will help you to understand how much of a pain point that product offers a solution to. If it's not an urgent pain point, then people will not buy it. Then you are telling Claude AI to tell you if it is strong, moderate, or weak. And that would ultimately define if you should continue with that product or stop. So I'm going to click on enter. By the way, if you've been getting a lot of value from this and you would like me to share the exact prompts that I am putting into Claude AI right now, comment the word Claude in the comment section. And if I get enough comments on that, I'm going to share each of these prompts with you. Now, Claude AI has gone ahead to analyze the entire sales page to determine if it is worth promoting or not. You can see the urgency 6/10 and he explains it why. The relatability is 9/10. The believability is 6/10. Then the identity shift is 8/10. But overall, Claude AI says this is a strong emotional product. And that means to say that you can go ahead and continue promoting this product. Now, if Claude AI should have said this is a weak product, that would be a cue for you to stop and go get another product to try to promote. And that will be Claude AI just saving you weeks of potentially wasted efforts. And now, because Claude AI said, okay, this is a strong emotional product, I'm going to prompt Claude AI and say, based on the emotional triggers and scores above, give me one, the single most powerful hook that I can use in a YouTube video title or Pinterest pin or TikTok, whatever platform you are leveraging to actually promote your affiliate link, that speaks directly to the core fear without sounding salesy. Again, a one paragraph bridge page opening that meets the readers at their pain point before mentioning any product. That's like if you're using Pinterest. Then 3 content angles that I can build separate videos or pins around, each one entering the conversation from different emotional entry points. This is how to use AI to literally reverse engineer affiliate marketing to understand why a product actually sells and how to position that product in the best way for you to get the most sales. Now, Claude AI has given us the hook. You can see I was present every day and still felt like an absent mom. That's a very strong hook for the kind of product that we picked on Digistore24. Now, this is a bridge page opening in case you're using Pinterest. These are 3 content angles that you can leverage if you are doing a YouTube video or Pinterest pins. And you can see that each of the 3 angles, they enter from different emotional doors: guilt, grief, and skepticism, which help to reach the same buyers at 3 different moments in their awareness cycle. So with this, you understand the emotional trigger that the copy is trying to activate for that product, so you know how best to position the product. You also know if the product is even worth promoting at all, as well as different content angles to implement. And this is how you can literally reverse engineer your Digistore affiliate marketing that would save you weeks of efforts that could potentially be wasted. So when you do this, you can tell if you should continue promoting a product or if you should stop, and how to go about promoting that product the right way. Now, if you actually want to know how you can leverage Pinterest with Digistore24 affiliate marketing, I will be showing you a free Pinterest strategy that you can use to leverage Digistore24 affiliate marketing. So you want to check the video you see on your screen right now to check it out.